Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought it would be cool to take you along for a day in the life of an interior decorator, me. So today I have a couple of clients to meet. I'll also be preparing for a home renovation project that I have coming up here in my own house. So I just thought I would bring you guys along. So yeah, here we go, let's go. So most days I just start off by checking my emails, responding to any emails, and updating my calendar. Yes, I am still old school. I like pen and paper. I like to see my things instead of having them on my phone. So I still pretty much write everything down. I just like it that way. And then now it is time to pick out an outfit for today. And my favorite part of styling any outfit, of course, are your accessories. Today, I just want to be comfortable because we have some clients to meet and have to do a lot of walking. So I think I'm going to go with these flat mules and the bag. I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Teddy Blake. If you have never heard of them, well, let me introduce you. Teddy Blake is a luxury leather handbag company. They are based out of New York, and they are here to prove that luxury can be affordable. Teddy Blake creates handbags designed for every single style choice. They release new collections every single month, and their designers work very hard to develop new, unique designs while also trying to keep the price point affordable. And they are truly made in Italy. Respecting the label's history, they make sure that each Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability. I have been rocking the Bella Crocco green 10-inch for about 2 weeks now, and let me tell y'all, I absolutely love this bag. So the design of the Bella channels both classic and modern lines, making it the perfect companion for today's woman. And y'all know I am constantly working with my hands, doing all kind of projects. So I just absolutely love that I can throw this across my body and have it be a crossbody bag while being able to be hands-free, but still stylish while doing so. So if you are looking for a stylish quality leather bag that will not break the bank, be sure to check out Teddy Blake. I will leave all their information in the description box below. All right, y'all, so I am here with my client who happens to be someone you guys know. It's actually my mom. I don't know if I told y'all, but I really do not remember. My mother and my stepfather are currently getting a house built from the ground up. They are getting their dream home built. So you guys will get to come along and see pretty much the entire process. They closed on the land a couple of months back, so they are about to start building. But in the meantime, we still have to pick out floors and cabinetry and bathroom stuff and everything. So today we are here at this place. Is called Home Outlet. It's kind of like a liquidation place. Their prices are pretty okay for like kitchens, bath, floors, and things like that. So we are about to go in with them and pick out a couple of things and see if there's anything in here that they like. So yeah, I cannot wait for y'all to follow along with this process. So we're pretty much going to be designing or decorating an entire house. So yeah, pretty excited. So come along with me for this client who just happens to be family. So I finally made it back to my house, and this here is my guest bathroom. I have had many plans for a while now to update this bathroom. This is pretty much just builder grade. As you can see, there's already like tile cracking. So this is going to be a DIY home renovation project that Antonio and I are going to do. Actually, I'll probably mostly do it by myself because this is going to be pretty easy. So if you guys like DIYs and you want to see affordable, easy DIYs, then make sure to stick around and follow this project. And then I know a couple of my previous videos where I would do like room designs for some of you all. You asked in the comments like what software I use to do my designs. Well, here is a free one that I thought I would show you guys. This one is called Home Styler. And with Home Styler, you can go in and design any area of your house. So you just take your measurements of your room, you lay that room out, and then they have catalogs where you can just insert furniture, insert vanities, insert mirrors, whatever you can imagine, you can insert it and get a 3D model of your new design. So I'm just working on this design here to figure out how it is that I'm going to want my bathroom. So that's pretty much about it for today. Now it is just time for me to be a wife and a mommy, and all they want me to do is cook. So thank you guys so much for following me for this video. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe if you like to see some upcoming projects that we have coming up. My parents' house, the bathroom reno here, also some other projects I have coming up that I have not mentioned in this video, but I assure you they will be worth the watch. So be sure to stay tuned. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.